The internal crisis within the Trinamool Congress appears to be deepening. Senior party leader and Lok Sabha MP Kalyan Banerjee has launched a sharp attack on Party General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee. His remarks have come at a time when the ruling party in West Bengal is already facing questions over internal differences and the recent exit of several leaders. Kalyan Banerjee, who is widely known as one of the former Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's most loyal supporters, made it clear that his allegiance remains with the party chief. However, he expressed strong dissatisfaction with Abhishek Banerjee, who is Mamata Banerjee's nephew and one of the most influential leaders in the party. In a strong statement, Kalyan Banerjee said that he continues to stand firmly with Didi, referring to Mamata Banerjee. At the same time, he said he would not tolerate what he described as Abhishek Banerjee's arrogance. The remarks have sparked fresh political discussions within the party and among opposition leaders. Kalyan Banerjee also announced that he has withdrawn from all legal cases related to Abhishek Banerjee. The statement has added a new dimension to the ongoing tensions within the Trinamool Congress. Political observers believe the comments could signal growing unease among sections of the party leadership. Kalyan Banerjee has often been seen as a vocal defender of Mamata Banerjee during difficult political battles. His latest sarcasm is therefore being viewed as significant. The development comes amid speculation about differences within the party over leadership style and decision making. Although Trinamool Congress leaders have publicly maintained that the party remains united, recent events have fueled discussions about internal disagreements. Abhishek Banerjee has emerged as a key face of the party in recent years. He has played a major role in organizational matters and election campaigns. His growing influence within the party has often been the subject of political debate. The latest comments from Kalyan Banerjee are likely to intensify those discussions. So far, there has been no official response from Abhishek Banerjee regarding the remarks. The Trinamool Congress leadership has also not issued any formal statement on the issue. Political opponents have seized upon the controversy. Several opposition leaders have claimed that the comments reflect deeper divisions within the ruling party. However, Trinamool leaders have repeatedly insisted that differences of opinion do not indicate a split within the organization. The controversy is expected to keep the spotlight on the party's internal dynamics in the coming days. Whether the remarks will have any long-term impact on the party remains to be seen. For now, Kalyan Banerjee's comments have triggered fresh debate within political circles. The statement has once again brought the relationship between Mamata Banerjee, Abhishek Banerjee and senior party leaders into focus. As political reactions continue to emerge, all eyes will be on how the Trinamool Congress responds to the latest controversy. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.